Welcome students. Now after the basic definitions and examples of polynomials, we will move towards the types of polynomials, that how many types of polynomial exist at our level. So first, since we have studied about the terms and the degree of polynomial just previous to this topic, so we will start to categorize the polynomial on the basis of number of terms and on the basis of degree of polynomial. So there are two types basically. After first we will discuss about according to the number of terms. So since starting of counting number is from 1, so we will take the first definition of type of polynomial, that is known as monomial. Monomial means a polynomial having only one term. Means if there is only one term in the polynomial, that is known as monomial. It is a Latin phrase mono, and mono meaning is one. What? One. So a polynomial having only one term is monomial. Example, look, x, this is only one variable x, and this is one term. This is also x square, whole number, power is whole number, so it is polynomial. There is only one term, so monomial. There is only one term here also, this is monomial. There is only one variable and only one term, so it is monomial, etc. You can write anything. After that, monomial. Second is binomial. Means if a polynomial having two terms, then that is known as what? Binomial. If one term monomial, if two terms binomial. Bi means two, mono means one, bi means two. So the example is what? 2x plus 5. How many terms? There is only one plus sign, so this is first term, this is first, this is second, whatever you can say. Here also there is only one sign, so this is two terms, so this is binomial. You have to always care about the power, because if this will be polynomial, then you will check this is binomial or not. There is again two terms separated by minus sign, so this is binomial. Suppose we have an example like 6 under root y plus y square. According to this, if you will consider only terms, then there is two terms, only one plus sign, so two terms. You cannot say binomial on the basis of just only term. First you have to check that this is polynomial or not. Here power of y is 2 whole number, but here root y means y power 1 by 2. 1 by 2 is not a whole number, so this is not a polynomial even. So how can you say this is binomial? So before categorizing, you have to ensure that the given expression is polynomial or not. So simple definition: if only one term, monomial; if there is two term, binomial. You can say three term, trinomial, but we will discuss only these two, monomial and binomial. If there is more than two terms, then we will consider as polynomial. We will say generally polynomial, like example, x square plus x plus 1. There is 1 2 3 term, so we will say it is a polynomial. You can take y square plus y cube plus 4, 1 2 3 4 terms, so it is a polynomial. So on the basis of number of terms, you will say only two, monomial, binomial, and if there is more than two terms, say general polynomial. So this is the first category according to the number of terms. Now on the basis of degree of polynomial, we will categorize. The first definition, the very important definition, is zero polynomial. Very simple definition. Zero, the number that you know very well, this number 0 is called zero polynomial. And 0, this, if this is polynomial, 0 is known as zero polynomial. So this will be a polynomial and it will be different from 0. You can take on your level just simple 0 is called zero polynomial. And for now you will consider that degree of zero polynomial is not defined. You cannot write 0 into x power 0. So don't do this. Just learn this point that degree of 0 is not defined. So move on the second definition. We will start from the 0. So degree of 0 is not defined. Now we will move towards the degree 0. If a polynomial having degree 0, then polynomial is called constant polynomial. If degree is 0, then it is called constant polynomial. How? Just simply example, all number. You have studied natural number, integer, fraction, rational number, all number taken as constant polynomial. Why? These are the examples. Why? We will just take a look why it is known as zero polynomial. Sorry, constant polynomial of degree 0. Suppose there is 2. 2 is constant. 2 can be written as 2 into x power 0. This can be elaborated easily 2 into 1, and this is 2 into 1 can be written as x power 0 because x power 0 is equal to 1. So this is 2 into x power 0. So the variable is x and this is constant 2, coefficient is 2, variable is x, and the power of variable is what? 0. So the degree, there is only one term, so the degree will be 0. What? 0. So on that basis definition is what? Degree 0 polynomials are known as what? Constant polynomial. Any number you can write minus 7 upon 2 into x power 0, under root 2 into x power 0. So degree will be 0. Now the third point is linear polynomial. The polynomial of degree 1. The polynomial of degree 1 is known as linear polynomial. Means the example is x plus 4. How many terms? 1 and 2 terms. There is 1 plus sign, so 2 terms. So this is binomial on the basis of terms, but the degree is what? This is 4, so it is constant. X power is 1, so this is linear polynomial. Here the variable is y, only one variable, so the power is 1, so highest power, so degree will be 1, so this is linear polynomial. Again here this is, no matter what is the coefficient, don't look at the coefficient, just check the variable. This is x, there is only one variable and the power is 1, so this is linear polynomial. After that, suppose you have example x square plus x, then there is 2 term, but the power is 1, the power is 2, so the degree of the whole polynomial will be what? The dominating 2, degree will be 2. So this is not a linear polynomial because polynomial of degree 1 is known as linear polynomial. So after that, move on. Quadratic polynomial. Polynomial of degree 2 is called quadratic polynomials. So simple definition. Now example x square minus 5. How many term? No matter. We have to check only degree. Here x power is 2, here this is constant, so the degree of this whole polynomial is 2, so this is quadratic. Here there is 2 term, and the degree of this is what? 2, because here power is 1, here 2, so the degree will be larger, so this is, we will take degree as 2, so degree is 2, so this is quadratic. Again here 1 2 3 term, and this is, you can write y power 0, so y power of y is 0, power of y is 1, power of y is 2, so the degree is equal to 2, so this is quadratic polynomial. After that, cubic polynomial. Polynomial of degree 3 is known as cubic polynomial. The example is what? X cube. Once again I am saying, don't look at number of terms, just this is on the basis of degree, so check the degree. There is only one term but the power is 3, so the degree is equal to 3, so it is cubic polynomial. Here 1 2 3 4 term, this is constant. Here the power is 1, here power is 2, here power is 3, so the highest power is 3, so the degree will be highest power, so degree is 3, it is cubic. Again 1 2 term, only one variable and the power is 3, so degree is 3, so it is cubic polynomial. Similarly, biquadratic polynomial. Polynomial of degree 4 is called biquadratic, means degree is 4, so biquadratic. Degree is 4 by quadratic polynomial. So these are the polynomials on the basis of degree of polynomial. That first is zero polynomial, means the number 0 is called zero polynomial and degree is not defined. Constant polynomial, if degree is 0 then constant polynomial, if degree is 1 then linear polynomial, if degree is 2 quadratic, degree is 3 cubic, degree is 4 by quadratic. And if you can say, sir, if there is degree 5 x power 5 plus x, then so it will be taken as a generally polynomial. No need to define it or no need to give a special name for this. You will say that this is generally a polynomial. But according to number of terms, how many terms? X and x power 5, so this is binomial, you can say, or you can say polynomial. So I hope that you have clarified all the types